Okay, good morning to all. So myself is Batmanaban, Assistant Professor of Department of IT. So Veltech Multech Dr. Sagundala Tangarajan Engineering College at Avadi College Autonomous College. I'm taking the subject name called as Information Technology and Essential. So today we are going to discuss about the topic name called as HTTP protocol. Okay. First of all, what is meant by HTTP? So HTTP is the transform hypertext transfer protocol. Is take the part in web browser and web server communications. In the part of web browser and web server communication, it purpose of we are using the HTTP protocol. So hence it is called combination protocol. That basic feature of HTTP protocol, that like it follow the response and request messages. So what is meant by response and what is meant by request? So response means who does need the information, does need any other information, that person is called request person. And response means who know the who know about the information, that person is called response person. Like server and client. So client is searching some information via the internet or web browser. This client go the web browser request to the web server, right? So web server is respond the message, read the message and respond them. It's called the request and response message. Okay, that client makes the request, decide the web pages, giving the URL in the address bar. The request is submitted to the web server, and the web server give the response from the web browser by returning the required web pages. Okay, by the returning which page we are accessing the information, that page returning the same information about the content. Okay, and next topic is the HTTP request and response messages. This is having the one structure. This structure is following the 4 criteria. One is the starting line, and second one is the header fielder, and third one is the blank line, and fourth one is the message of body. Okay, first of all we know the what is by start line. So start line is a consistence of basics 3 parts. Okay, one is the request method, and second one is the request URI, and third one is the HTTP versions. Okay, first of all this HTTP versions have the multiple versions, right? This purpose of we are using the future information implementations. They were using the HTTP protocols. Okay, so first of all we seeing the request method. So request method, it connecting the method which is used to during the web browser and web server communications. Like it's a keyword or it's a command called as connect. Okay, that once keyword is interconnect between the web browser as a web communication, that keyword called as connect. Okay, this is the case is a case sensitive, only we are using the uppercase letters only. Okay, this is the primary method of HTTP, it's get. So when we are connecting the information this web server, the server to get the information from the web browser, right? It's called as the get method. Get method is the command. It is also the case sensitive. It's also mentioned the uppercase only. Okay, next the get method used in when you type a URL in address bar. When you are typing the address bar in URL, that time we are using the function is. And second one is the when you click the same hyperlink which is present the document. So hyperlink means a place in electronic document or the computer that is connected to one electronic document to another person's. Okay, it is called hyperlink. So hyperlink means the web page having the multiple functions or multiple buttons. Which one buttons? If suppose if you try to click one button, it interconnect with the it interconnect to the another pages, right? It's opening the new page. It is called hyperlink. Okay, and when browser download the images for displaying with the HTML document. When we are browsing the images, that also we are displaying the HTML documents. Okay, understand now. And the next one, HTTP method. So that commonly we are using the most of 5 or 6 HTTP method that commonly are used. First one is the get method, and the second one is the head, and third one is the post, and the fourth one is the put, and fifth one is a delete, and the sixth one is connect, and last one is options. Okay, so get method is used to is a method retrieve the information from the given server using the URI. So URI means user required and identifications. Okay, so it is the main purpose of to developing the purpose with the one connection to another connection of the through web browser. So head is the same as get method, but it transfer the status line and the head of sections and only. Okay, if you information to one process to another information to you transfer the information to the via internet, that time we are using the get method. So post method is the method. It is used to send the data to the server. Okay, some information we have to send the server. That time we are using the post method. Okay, for example, or information we are gathering information or uploading file, etc. Okay, so put method is the replacing all current representations. Okay, date method, it remove all current representations of remove the stage. Connect it is used to establish of the identification. So establish the connection between the users. And option is describing the communication option. Okay, it's the target of resource. It is the basis concept of HTTP method. And next one is the URI request. So URI means always a uniform resource identifier. It is the string. It is used to identifying the name of the resource. Okay, name of the resource. It's a combination of URL and the URI. So URL means uniform resource locator, and the URN means uniform resource name. Is the combination of URI. Okay, it is called as URI method. It is the string identifications of the purpose of using the string names of resources. And the web server denote the URL, that specific number of places the person item denote the URL. So when we are using URL, the web address denote the URL. The specific name place, one person are using, or one person or one some items were denoted the URL. URL means uniform resource name. That time we are using the URL functions. For example, so URL like ISBN number, it's considering the 12 digits or 30 digits number. It specify the address of the some book. It specify the address of some book. It's called the URL. URL is contained of the URL functions. Okay, for example, so URL means it is the purpose. Its identification. It is using the multiple various of similarities are there. First one is the FTP servers. So FTP is used to file transfer protocol. It does send the information to the help of HTTP protocol. Okay, the next one is the telnet. So telnet means is the server is the protocol used on the network to provide the 2F interaction command. Okay, it is the 2F interaction command using the CLI method. So CLI method means command line interface. Command line interface. Okay, it's a virtual terminal connection. Okay, it is called as a telnet. And another one's mail to myself. So it is the mailbox. It is the it's indicate the web server, sorry, mail server. And final one is the HTTP protocol. It's the web server. It is a for given example. And the next topic is the HTTP versions. So there are HTTP versions are having the 4 versions. Like commonly we are using the HTTP 1.1, and will be future will be HTTP 2.0. But the 4 versions are here: HTTP 0.9, HTTP is 1.0, HTTP 1.1, and HTTP 2.0. But today the version is common use is HTTP 1.1. Okay, and the future will be HTTP 2.0 maybe. Okay, the HTTP having the multiple versions, but commonly we are using the 1.1 versions. The header field of and message body. The host header field is associated with the HTTP request because the header is a files containing the from field, the name called as field value. The header files containing the form with field called as header value. This structure is from using the given of the diagram. The diagram like is the structure. This structure is very important concept. This is the request is the HTTP request structure. first we are declaring the straight line, and second one is the header file, and third one is the blank line, and fourth one is the message body. So we have first mentioned the start line. So start line we are indicate the keyword called as get. Get is the web address we are denoted to when we are using the get method in web address. That time we are gathering information of the website. Okay, right? It's called the the purpose of using the get method. And second one is the host. So host is the containing of information that the information to transfer the one purpose to another user. Okay, this is called the host address. Like next one is the accept and connections and hello world. So hello world, hello is a message body. What content if you need that content is message body. And the content number venumo, so the content we are declare it. Okay, like structure. Next one is HTTP response structure. So they are same as HTTP request is same as response message structure, also similar. Okay, like start line, header line, blank line, and message body. This is same as the same similar functions. The status line having content same as the three functionalities. One is the HTTP versions, and second one is the status code, and third one is the reason phase. Okay, like HTTP versions denoted the HTTP version of 1.1. Already you know that code, numerical code indicate the type of response. That status code is numeric code. Status code means it is the numeric code. It is the indicating the type of response. What type of response the server is responding the client. Okay, it is called status code. Then the reason phase is next string from the next string form or representing the information about the status code. It is a combination of a string code. String is the collection of alphabets. It is called the string. Okay, only characters. It's containing the characters. It is called string. String information about the status code. About the status code is called as the reason phases. Okay, HTTP version is what is the latest versions we are using the web browser or web server. Like it is called as HTTP versions. The version is 1.10. Like one example here, my version is HTTP 1.1 200. Okay, this is my example. So it's considering the three parts. It's divided into three parts. HTTP 1.0 is indicated to the HTTP versions. My latest version is 1.1, and 200 means my status code. What is my status code? So my status code is OK. OK is the region of phase. Region of phase is indicate the status code of the status code. Okay, status code of information is called as region of phases. Okay, clear. So following commonly using the some codes. The code is 200. 200 is indicating the region phase is OK. The system, why we are using the status code and the region phase means the system only can accessing the binary values. Okay, if not read the characters or numbers, anything, it is converted to octal to binary, or binary this is a decimal point something else. But that's why we are using the status code. Status code is system understanding purpose only. A reason phase user understand purpose only. Okay, so 200 means it is okay. The description of okay means this is the standard response of request. Okay, when the customer or when the client are requesting some information to the server responding is okay, is fine. Okay, that's why indicate the okay. And second one is the 201. So 201 status code is the reason of created. Okay, this is reason of created. This is description of it showing the request the fulfilled and new resources having the created. So when we are using the new created be created, that's why we are using the 201 status code. And second one is the third one is the 202. So 202 to accept the message from the customer side or client side, it is called as 202. Is when request is accepted process by building the resources, it denoted the code from the customers. Okay, and next one is the 301. So 301 is the reason of moved permanently. So when we are using 301, that one person transfer the request from the resource that using the URI that moved from the another location. It is called the 301 status code. And next one is the 401. 401, most of the internet users know about the 401 status code. Okay, sometimes we searching the some information for any other website. That time sometimes if you have any issues, or if any product purpose or any security purpose, that time we cannot to able to open the website. That time the websites are displaying some messages like on the phone one unauthorized user, or you either or you cannot to access the web page. Something message is printing there. Okay, so it is called as a 401 status code. Is the purpose of the request resource is protected by a some password and used to not provided by the password. That is called as 401 unauthorized users code. And next one is the 403. So 403 means it is the hidden purpose. Sometimes the file request is sometimes the file request is response is the present to the server, but the server is not able to respond it. That time we are using the 302 scenarios. Okay, okay ma'am, for the example, for I am taking an example of HTTP 1.0, sorry 1.1 and 200. Okay, this is my scenario, right? So I will take the I will once I got the information from the server side, the server reading the some information and storing the some information, right? So which date we have to send the message or receiving the message, and what is the latest modification date, and so what server we can use, and the content of the length. Okay, this information are storing the server, the purpose of protected or security purpose. Okay, for example, I will take the consider the example like it is a purpose of when we are searching information or receive the response, or which servers we can use, and last modified when we are use the last modification of the function, that is called as the last modified. Okay, so like example, so I will take the some scenarios of detailed explanations. One is the date is the purpose of it representing the date and time which response generated from the web server or is a web server. Okay, that is indicate the header field, it is the date, and second header field is the server is which names of server which you responding the current request methods. Okay, it is called server, which servers we have to current respondent. And third one is the last modified. So last modified is the date, is the time which response is mentioned the modified of previous function is. Okay, and next one is the accept ranges. So accept ranges it's which used to by the client or accept the range request for a large amount. Okay, live example. So document only have single web pages. This simultaneously we have to respond in the specific accept ranges. Okay, it is called as the accept ranges. Okay, next one is the cache control. So the HTTP are using the cannot do storing the cache cannot use the user friendly functions. That time we are using the cache control. So cache control is the many times responsible of header file are used in conjunction of in control. Okay, so cache is a temporary memory storing the temporary data from the web server. Okay, it's like the use of cache is improve the system performance, and many browsers store the web page viewed by the client the cache memory. They bring the efficiencies from the web pages. Like for instance, the client read daily newspaper on is the PC, then catching the corresponding web address or web page. Okay, will quickly display the web pages. That's why the purpose of we are using the cache control. Okay, so the cache control is the temporary memory. It is storing the corresponding of address to web pages that when the users entering the same information, that time they automatically displaying the content of the page. The time the user is find the easily. Okay, it is the purpose of cache control. And next one is the HTTP tunneling. So HTTP tunneling means it is the protocol that allow the source movement. It's allow the source movement where now it's the data from one network to another network. It's where data one network to another network. Okay, so main thing the tunneling is involved the private network communication to be. It is the HTTP future of protocols. Okay guys, thank you all.